Hello, everyone, and welcome back. All right, I just got home from work, and I reached into locks that PickMe 1977 sent me. And thank you, PickMe, for all the awesome locks you sent me. But this is a 3-star kite-marked Euro, and he calls it able, but it also, see, it says able, but it also says it's a stock lock. So we're going to see if we get in it, and, well, we'll take a look and see what's inside this 3-star kite mark. Has an original key too. Right there, 3-star kite marked, and it has a really decent bidding on it. I mean, that's a challenge lock bidding right there. But works very smooth, and we're gonna see if we get in it, and we'll take a look inside. And alright, I don't. This is a Yale style keyway, so I don't think I get this 50 in there. No. Alright, I think I get this 40 though. Yeah. Alright. It's a little loose, but it's going to have to do. And, oh, wait a minute, let me zoom us up. Sorry about that. And I will focus us. And I think I'm going to, well, I'll at least start with this. It's one of my homemade hooks here. And let's see what we have here. Alright, we got a little click off of 6, and we got a little turn on that core. There's some counter right here on 3. Okay, I think I got him. I don't know if that's 2 or 1. I think that was pin 2. Got a little bit out of that one. Get some counter right here. I think that was pin 3. Get some counter off of 1, but it didn't set right. Alright, we got a good false set again off of pin 6. It must have dropped. Counter right here. Okay, that was pin 2. I might have got him. Got a little bit off of 5 just then. Oh, that was pin 1. I think it wanted to set. Pin 6 is going to keep dropping on me. Alright, I don't know if I set them. That was pin 6 again. I think I'm going to have to go with a deeper hook. Yeah. Got a pretty decent false set every time I hit 6 because it keeps dropping. Alright, don't mess with that pick. Let's try. Alright, this is the Lunatic from Sparrows. It's kind of like an DeForest Diamond, but very small, very thin on the end. Let me see if I get this back there. Alright. See if we could do anything with this one. See, I was getting some counter off of 5. Oh, there we go. Wow. Alright, now we have a really deep false set. That was between, I think we had to get 5 and then went back to 6 again. That is a deep, deep false set for a stock lock. I don't think I've ever had one that deep. Alright, I'm getting some counter right here. I don't think I can get him with that hook though. I don't think he's going up high enough. Oh, yeah, it is. Alright, we're open on 3. Alright, let's see what we have in this lock. Let me zoom this back out. And let me put this down on here. Sorry about that. Alright, let me move this. Let me move this stuff. Fix the camera a little bit. Grab my pinning tray. Yeah, that was a fun lock for a stock lock. I gotta tell you, there's a ton of feedback in this lock. Alright, let's lock her up. Yep. Alright, let's get that clip off. That was an extremely deep false set. Like I said, I don't think I've ever had one that deep on a stock lock before. Come on. Oh. I think that actually landed in my work shirt pocket. I'll find that after. It might actually be in my pocket, my top pocket. Felt it hit me right there. Alright, let's see what we got here. We're going to shim this lock for sure. Okay. Let me turn this a little bit this way. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay, you can see he's got the grub screws in there, so I don't know, man. For a stock lock, unless that's the way they come, I don't know. Alright, we got some drill protection there. I don't know, it looks like all standard pins, it could be stock. Everything except for 5 is well below the shear line. Even 5 is pretty low. Alright, let's see what we got here. Standard, 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 and a standard. And you can see that is a good bitting. High, low, high, low, high, low. Alright. Nothing done here. You can see he's got some nice drill protection there, right there and there. But, alright, let's see what we got up here. Now we're going to have some spools, because we got some deep falsets. Alright, one is a commercial spool, pretty deep. I'll start dumping the springs. They're probably going to all be the same if it's just stock lock. Another, another pretty deep spool. They're fairly deep, I guess. And another one. We might just have all spools up top. Maybe one standard. I don't know, there was still some play in this lock. Alright, I don't know what that is. I have never seen a pin like that before. Never. I gotta show you guys that. That's in pin 4. I don't even know how to explain that. And that's a very small spring. Yeah, let's go this way. Wow, that is pretty cool. I ain't never seen a pin like that for sure. Another spool here in 6. I gotta check out that pin there in 4. I've never seen, and yeah, one standard here in 5. Alright. You guys gotta check that out. And that is a long spring in 5. I think that's a bit longer than the rest. Oh, maybe not. Alright, I don't think anything is done up here. Even though all those grub screws are in there. No, I don't think so. Alright, well, we gotta check these out. Alright. Alright, well, you can see we have all standards down below. High, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. Then we have all spools except for this one right here in pin 4. That is a very odd pin. Spring loaded. That is wicked cool. I've never seen a pin like that before in a standard lock. That is pretty awesome. Alright, but that is what was in this lock, guys. Yeah. And that is the only short spring there too in pin 4. But very awesome lock. Very awesome. Thank you, PickMe, for sending this lock to me. That was pretty awesome. But yeah, alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks, guys. Bye.